was something like that. Alexa, play Rain and Tacos.
Make it sound like we have a super high-tech car with its own...
Yeah, let's use computer.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then it'll sound like we're rich like Batman.
Hey guys, super excited. I got my Echo Auto today. Now this is a special pre-release from Amazon, invitation only, they're calling it. And I totally forgot that I did that. So we're here unboxing it with the kids.
I knew it was something like that.
Yeah, so this is Alexa for your car.
Cool.
That's exactly what I said.
It is exactly what you said. But I was trying to bring the excitement here, okay?
Okay.
So we're opening it up.
Should we give it a cool name? Like one of those 4 names and then make it sound like we have a super high-tech car with its own...
Yeah, let's use computer.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then it'll sound like we're rich like Batman.
No.
Computer.
That would be, that's a good idea. I like that idea.
And it's easy to say.
Yes, I had that idea.
So we
I
got
had that idea first.
we got
Oh, John.
3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter male to male. We got
We read it with here.
our audio, our battery cable. Oh, and it runs on micro USB.
Good.
A 2-prong 12-volt adapters. I have a lot of wires buried into the dash, so I'll probably migrate to that eventually. And what's this? Oh, here's the little holder.
What is the little Alexa? Anyway, because I cannot see it.
So actually, you know what? Look at this. Here's a little thing. Our 8 speakers.
I know how to run.
Here. How does this little...
Would you tape it to a little space to make sure that it doesn't move around in the car?
Yeah, it looks like it's got some... It looks like we got this rubber mat. Oh, that has some sticky. And you know what I actually have over here?
Just cook this.
We have... I have a micro USB over here.
Let's plug it in and see.
But I don't, you know what we don't have over here that's good, Jack?
What?
Do it!
Is the audio cable to plug
Hey, stop squashing
into it. Now I got a longer cable to plug in the aux
You wanna
connector.
fight with JJ?
Alright.
Guys, stop
And you know what? I'm gonna borrow
Oh,
from my GPS.
JJ's trying to lick me!
I have this cable here. Alright, boys, can you boys calm down a little bit, please?
He was trying to kill me!
Please.
I found the instructions.
Alright. Can you start reading the instructions?
You don't know how to read it.
Alright, I got my cable there.
Echo Auto Amazon Era. What's in the box?
Alright.
Megan, why are you speaking like a British?
Number
Because there's something.
Number 1.
There's something.
Number 1.
Megan, just read it.
Number 1. Plug in your
Alright.
Echo Auto. Connect one end of the included USB cable into your computer micro USB port. The computer is the Echo.
Gotta put the stereo on the aux setting.
Plug in the other end of the cable into your car's 12V power outlet using the included in-car power adapter. You can also use your car's built-in USB port if available. Turn on your car to power the device.
Yeah.
You'll see a sweeping orange light in the left over.
That's where we are. Sweeping orange light. We see a sweeping orange light.
Set up your Echo Auto using the Alexa app. Tap the device in the lower right of the Alexa app to follow the instructions to set up a new device. Echo Auto utilizes your smartphone plan of the Alexa app for connectivity and other features. Carrier charges may apply. Please
Okay,
consult
so-
your carrier for information. Blah, blah, blah.
So then go back to the part where it'll greet you.
Turn on your car to power the device.
Yes.
We have the car on, as you can see.
You'll see a sweeping orange light and Alexa will greet you.
It says good evening, Wednesday, July 10th
Where?
on that phone. I'm looking over
I
his shoulder.
can't see.
And then it said set up a new device.
Yeah.
So devices
Duh.
plus add device. Amazon and Echo. Echo Dot, kids, Echo Auto.
Hi, Dad.
Morning.
Warning, do not set up while driving.
Of course, that was
Place your Echo on the dashboard with the LED bar facing the driver. Set up, allow the Alexa app to always run in the background. Stop optimizing battery usage. Amazon Alexa will be able to run in the
Ready for
background.
setup. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Alexa.
Here we
Ready
go.
for setup. When you can safely do so,
right.
go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Alexa app saw
Ready for
our set up
setup.
Alexa
When you can
on
safely
your Echo
do so,
Auto.
go to your Alexa app and
Continue.
add a new device.
Connecting.
We have an F2EG.
Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with Echo Auto.
F2EG. I guess that's our.
Can your car connect to your phone with Bluetooth to play music?
Okay, let's try that.
Hang on a second. Let me think about this. Can your car connect to your phone with Bluetooth? No.
The sun.
Oh.
Can your car connect to your phone with Bluetooth to make calls? Yes.
That big.
Listen for the sound test.
Ooh, I hear something.
Please make sure the volume is turned up in your car stereo and smartphone, and your car stereo's input is set to aux, which is what we did. We have to use the wire. When you hear your sound, tap continue. Okay, we hear the
Your
sound.
device is ready.
That's it. Okay, now setup. Allow calling and messaging.
We can
To call and
them.
message friends and family with the Alexa and your existing phone service, the Alexa app needs permission to make and receive and manage calls, send, receive, and read SMS, check for unread SMS, check the status of your connected phone, including the current cellular network. I'm just gonna click allow. Oh, and then Android is asking me allow, allow, allow.
Allow, allow, allow. Allow, allow,
Pretty
allow,
much.
allow, allow.
Hey, can we get ready to use Alexa?
So, Dad, with this, since it said
Welcome
that,
to Echo Auto. This short video will walk you through some of the basics to get started. All right, let's watch the video.
Okay.
Welcome to your new Echo Auto.
Tweet. Put it on the TV.
Now you can take Alexa on here.
Just ask to play music,
No.
set reminders, find the nearest gas station, or make calls.
Here's a playlist you might like.
Skills are like apps. With over 50,000 skills and counting,
Wow.
you can use them to make restaurant reservations,
How can you find them?
play games, or listen to podcasts. Use your voice to control compatible smart home devices.
Oh.
Adjust the thermostat, or turn off appliances while you're away. You can even set up location-based routines, like turning on lights to start automatically when you get close to home.
That's cool.
Welcome to your new Echo Auto.
I
Yay.
think that's also like what we can do with the Wi-Fi plugs in a future video, right?
Yes.
We do make future.
Did I accidentally spoil some
All right. This short video will walk you. Oh, we did that. Continue.
Daddy,
Should we show it
if
to
your
them?
car is going to be parked for an extended period of time, we recommend that you unplug the in-car power adapter.
I think that power adapter is like on the key switch. So if you turn this key car off, it's going to turn off.
What, your Alexa?
Yes. This is something you're gonna double check. And I have to make everything new. Why are you playing with my sunglasses, buddy?
I don't know.
Does everything look weird through my prescription sunglasses?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful with the mirror, please.
Imagine if
Okay, please don't touch the mirror anymore.
Dad,
Please don't touch the mirror anymore.
imagine if
Okay.
like in a couple.
I'm in this weird screen that just keeps buzzing, and I don't know why.
Okay.
I don't know what to do next.
Dad,
I'm gonna go back.
Dad, do you think in like a couple years they could update the auto and then maybe you can ask your car to like turn to auto drive and then it can drive itself and then you just put in the location.
They
and
very
it'll
well
drive-
may.
It's called auto.
So okay, so I had to press back a few
I know, I
times
just said that.
because this was stuck. So now
I said auto drive.
I finally got back. Guys, hang on. I went to. We're gonna go to Amazon and Alexa.
No.
Oh, so she's hearing Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather?
In West Milford Township, it's 84 degrees
That's coming
Fahrenheit
through my
with clear
car's
skies and
speakers.
sun. Tonight, you can look for mostly clear skies, with a low of 69 degrees. Have a good evening.
Thank you. All right, so
Thank you, Alexa.
there's something that they said, and I have to read this more. This kind of uses, I think, the data connection. It's Bluetooth from the Alexa Auto to my phone, but then and then it's using my phone's
You have
cellular
Find My
connection.
Phone enabled. Do you want to open it?
No.
Let's just.
Card connection, help, forget device, send logs, more settings. Hey, I'm trying to define the setting
Let's just say auto
to make
instead of-
the
Raining
wake word.
Tacos by
Alexa.
Perry Grip.
Did you say I'm trying to find Raining Tacos?
Alexa! Alexa! Play Pancake Robot!
What do you want me to play?
Pancake Robot!
Pancake Robot by Perry Grip, starting now on Amazon Music.
The pancake robot is coming to town. He's mixing up the batter and he's laying it down. Buttermilk, blueberry, chocolate chip. 50 million pancakes he's gonna flip. Oh, you can eat.
And now you can play Raining Tacos without having to plug in a phone.
Yes.
Is coming to town. Oh, you can eat. Yum, yum. Oh, you can eat. It's a pancake explosion coming party down.
So the kids love this song. They're all going crazy now with everything.
I'm holding the camera.
Yes. Thank you. All right, Megan, sign us out. Sign us out.
What do you mean? Oh, I only know how to sign in.
Dad, I can. Bye, guys.
Bye now.
Subscribe.
Bye guys. Like, subscribe.
Please like our videos and subscribe to Fun Day.
We're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and did I forget something?
Think you got it. Great job. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night.
Did you say YouTube?